flag is in the air. That battle for second, though, continues to rage. Here's Harvick trying to complete a last to second drive today, a week after he went last to first at Gateway. Jeff Green staying on the throttle in the 10 car. Checkered flag will be in the air momentarily for your leader. Jeff Purvis on his way to his first victory in 2001. Here's the checkered flag. Your winner is Jeff Purvis out of Clarksville, Tennessee.
The white flag will be out as the cars come by. Here it is. 1 lap to go for Neil Bonnet and Benny Parsons, and look at Waltrip closing right in there. And Bill, with that traffic up ahead of them, this is going to make the race exactly what happens, because this group should be catching the group of slower cars right in front of them just about as they come around by the start-finish line. All right, they peel down that backstretch. Yeah, there they come into the traffic. This could be absolutely incredible here. Neil Bonnet, though, is doing a good job of coming through the traffic. And right behind him is Benny Parsons down low. And there's a car that moves in between Bonnet and Parsons. And that's a great break for Bonnet and a bad break for Benny. Yep, Benny's now tucking down, but he is running out of time. No question about it. And Earnhardt, who is the third-place car, is going to be lapped now, and Bonnet gets the record. Neil Bonnet wins the Firecracker 400.
We hope we don't see another caution across the stripe. 1 lap to go. Mike Wallace just in front of Ron Hornaday. Now the big question, will there be KHI orders for Hornaday to win this race?
That can't happen, Phil, because here comes Buescher and Carmichael. They do anything other than what they're doing, they're going to lose that first and second spot. They got to hang right like that until the very last second. There's a chance at the start-finish line. Maybe Hornaday pulls out, but here comes Buescher.
Here comes the run by Buescher and Ricky Carmichael. Going into turn number 3. Wallace and Hornaday 1 and 2.
How about Jason White, Tom O'Neill, top of the racetrack, hooked up.
Coming out of turn number 4, this is where all the action will take place. Here comes the run. James Buescher trying to go to the outside. Mike Wallace being pushed by Ron Hornaday through the tri-oval. 400 yards to go. It's going to be Mike Wallace is going to win this one at Talladega.
It is Tom O'Neill who will come across the start-finish line. Your leader. 1 lap of racing to go.
Look at David Rudimer. Remember, he's on the inside of the racetrack. Todd Cleaver wants to keep him down there, maybe get him loose.
Mike Skinner, another Toyota, is pushing David Rudiman. Hopefully give him enough air to get down and past him on the backstretch.
Down the backstretch they go. Todd Bodine out in front of the field. Just behind him, Todd Cleaver, David Rudiman, Mike Skinner. As they come out of turns 3 and 4, nobody has anything for Todd Bodine. He will come to the start-finish line, the winner of the O'Reilly Auto Parts 250.
Into quarter number 4 they come now. The white flag will come out this time around. Harry Gant is the leader of the Dixie Cup 200. There's the white flag. Less than 1.366 miles to go. Slower traffic ahead of the leader. That's Larry Pollard in car number 98. They go into turn number 2. There's about a 4-car length separation between Harry Gant and Brad Teague. Down the backstretch for the final time. Gant is the leader. Now they move into turn number 3. It's clear sailing ahead. Not a lap car in sight for Harry Gant. And it looks like that Gant is going to win this late model sportsman race here this afternoon. Off of corner number 4, the checkered flag shows Harry Gant wins. Brad Teague winds up second. L.D. Ottinger third, and Tommy Houston fourth.